Working hard is frequently viewed as an essential element of success, and many people think that the more they work, the more wealth they can amass. The truth is that putting in a lot of effort by yourself might not guarantee financial success. Many other things, such as fixed incomes, taxes, and inflation, might reduce the financial benefits of hard work. In this environment, it's critical to recognize the limits of laborious effort and to pinpoint other crucial elements that can aid in accumulating true wealth, such as passive income sources, wise investments, and financial knowledge. In this video, we'll look at 5 reasons why working hard might not make you wealthy, and talk about several other methods of securing your long-term financial future. Number 1. Limited by both time and effort. Even when you work exceptionally hard, there is a limit to how much time and energy you can devote to your job. When this happens, adding extra hours to your workday or taking on more duties won't help you earn much more money. The term point of decreasing returns refers to this situation. Number 2. Permanent income. Many occupations have a fixed income, which means that regardless of how hard you work or how well you perform, you will never make more money than what is specified in your compensation or hourly rate. Number 3. Revenue taxation. Your take-home pay may decrease as a result of higher income tax rates, which could be imposed as your income rises. This will prevent you from accumulating wealth. Number 4. The price of inflation. The ability to save money and accumulate wealth may be hampered over time by inflation, which can lower the purchasing power of your income. If living expenditures continue to rise, you may find it challenging to keep up even if you have a high income. Number 5. Not having any passive income. Although putting in a lot of effort to get paid is an active income source, it might not be sufficient to amass true riches. No matter how hard you work on a daily basis, passive income streams, including rental income, dividends from investments, or revenue from a business you own, can eventually offer a more consistent and reliable source of income. Working hard is crucial and may undoubtedly advance your career, but it's not the main element in accumulating riches. Building long-term financial security requires a number of additional aspects, including financial literacy, wise investment choices, and the development of passive income sources.